guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day for 31 days. Today we will have some Chanel and unfortunately she's not a vintage bag yet. She will be celebrating her vintage year between next year and the 2024. That's crazy. 2000, yeah. Next year it's 2023 and then it's 2024. Time is flying. So, as I said, little, small, tiny Chanel unboxing. And let me reveal the bag to you and then we can have our little chit-chat convo. So, the beauty of the day is this amazing mini chocolate bar bag in the pink color.
One, two, three, four.
In almost pristine condition, and the extra little cute detail is that it comes with a little camellia attached to it. So maybe as you could see, this one is, I cannot say it's from the same collection as my chocolate bar in gold, but maybe because they have, you know, this chocolate quilting, and this is why it's called chocolate bar. So as you can see here, you have a little CC, and it's not a turn lock, it's just a button, and here it's engraved Chanel. And inside, let me just take the strap out. So inside you have this beautiful pink lining. It's a fabric one, and you have Chanel. It's written Chanel everywhere. Here you have the sticker, and it came with the authenticity card, and as you can see, it starts with 8, so which means the bag is from 2003, 2004. Here you have a little slip pocket, and it's a made in France handbag. Let me close it, and as you can see, you have, wow, I just did a knot, a super thin chain, but she's long enough to wear the bag crossbody, which is so good when you can wear your Chanel bag crossbody. I wish I could wear my classic flaps crossbody. I always try to. Now it's impossible because I gained weight, even if I found some tricks to do it, so I will show it to you guys later. But yeah, so as you can see, this bag is from Vestiaire Collective. I bought it in 2nd of June 2021, and I paid around $1,700 for the bag, which is a deal because with the price increases, etc., the Chanel mini flap, mini square mini flap, it costs now around 4,500, and I think if I go today with $1,700, I will get myself like card holder with a chain or something, but I would definitely not get a little mini bag where I can, you know, at least fit card holder, key case, AirPods, and maybe some tissues or a lip gloss. So if we analyze things with this perspective, this was a deal. I bought this bag because, to be honest, I found the same one, same design, same thing in green. I bought it, and the seller canceled my purchase because she said, oh, it just got sold in a different platform. And I was like, okay, that's very strange because the bag was online for a few weeks and days. And when I decided to buy it, at the same time, it got sold. Like, it's what annoys me the most with Vestiaire Collective, because you cannot, like, it happened to me several times. I buy, like, I purchase, I buy, I pay, and then the seller cancels or they don't ship and blah blah blah. So it's a little bit annoying because we are not sure that the purchase will happen, like you will receive your bag until you receive the bag. So it's a little bit annoying, but voila. So as I couldn't have the green one, I really wanted the green one. When I saw the pink one, I was like, you know what? I have the maxi in pink. I will put the picture here. And I have the classic flap pink in small size. So why not have the mini? So I have the 3 sizes. And voila, so I have the whole family. And I think that's the reason why I bought it. Is it a good reason? I don't think so. But I don't regret. She's looking very nice, and she's looking like brand new. All the corners, she's complete. I got it with a little dust bag. Like, I cannot ask for more. Guys, let me know what you think about this little cutie pie, if you like it, if you don't. I know a lot of people struggle to find pink Chanel vintage, pre-loved handbags because it is such a special color and it's really rare to come by these bags, and when you find one, it's really expensive. I remember when I got my Chanel classic flap in small, I was quite lucky, even if she's not perfect. She has some wrinkles because she's really vintage, etc. And I received her. I stuffed, you know, the bag with a lot of paper and things, you know, to make the leather comes back, you know, to its shape a little bit. But I remember that I almost sent it back, and I talked with a friend, and she's like, if you send this bag back, you will never find one again. And she was right, because since then I didn't find any affordable small classic flaps in pink, because it's very, very rare to find these bags. And I remember, I think mine I paid 1,500 to 800, so it was really cheap. So when I saw this one, I was like, it's a sign, get it. If you don't like, it's not going to be a struggle to sell it if you don't want to keep it. So guys, let me know what you think about it. If you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my last videos of August, and you don't miss my next video in September, October, November, because I'm supposed to stay as I am back to YouTube. I'm not supposed to leave. So voilà. Thank you guys for being here, et I see you tomorrow. Je vous vois demain. Gros bisous, à demain. Bye.